So obviously this is a 350 Chevy engine kit, so the plugs that size that you need are all in the kit. So what I like to do, I don't have a set of specific drivers, so all I'm going to do then is find a socket like this that fits pretty good in there, close to the edge. So I have this real old half-inch extension, and the socket doesn't even stay on there anymore. So I'm going to actually use that as my driver by putting it together because I'm not going to damage anything. Now when inserting the freeze plug into the block, I like to use some sort of sealer. You can use RTV, you can use a gasket forming material, but my choice is using Permatex number 2, and that's what I'm going to do then when I put this freeze plug into the hole and drive it in. Now when I drive it, you can see there's a little bit of a, it's at a little bit of an angle, and then it stops right here. So I'm actually going to get this edge right about with this edge right here, or just drive it a little bit lower, and that's about as far as I want to go. Now obviously you keep going and going, you can pop it right through. The freeze plug's not going to be any good anymore, and you're going to have to get another. So then to put the plug in, I'm going to use this Permatex number 2 like I said, and I'm just going to put a coating around the edge. And I'll get the freeze plug, smooth it if you have to, and put the freeze plug in like that, get it kind of uniform. Then go ahead and get your driver ready, and then drive it in with a hammer. Now we're a little bit, it's actually about as, let me go a little bit more, it's about as far as I want to get it in. And I'll clean that up a little bit because the paint has sometimes a little problem sticking to it. And that is the proper way to install a freeze plug. Thanks for watching.